So we're chasing the warmer weather. We're trying to outrun a cold, actually snow and ice and everything's coming. We're barely ahead of it. We're chasing warm weather. So tonight we're going to stay in this Cabela's. We're in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We're staying over at Cabela's. I got my shorts on. It's a beautiful sunny day.
Beautiful sunny day.
I don't think the temperature was 80 something.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be 60s to low 50 or high 50s at night. It's not the most scenic place, but it's free, and we feel like it's the better side of town. Albuquerque's kind of rough. Cabela's. Cabela's.
For free.
Rusty's done stepped on the thorn and got one in his foot. We was at a rest area, wasn't we? Yeah. I don't guess we really got a plan for this town. I'm just glad to be in the nice weather. That's it. That's all I got to say. That's my shadow. That's some stranger following me around. No, that's her shadow. You can't see my little dog. Anyway, that's Rusty fixing to pee on a bush. Or I don't know what he's doing. What is he doing? But either way, this is where we're at for the night. I'll come back and report to you again later. Well, we got up, we're fixing to leave this morning. We've done left Cabela's. Wow, look at that view, I just keep getting distracted. But we come to the Cracker Barrel because she wanted to get some food. It's good, I always give her a hard time about it, but it's good. Yep, fixing to get on the road and heading west. It's still nice and warm. Still got my shorts on. Yeah, loving it, out of the cold weather. But anyway, let me get settled in, gotta get the dog in here, and we're taking off. Sunset. What are we doing?
Waiting for Bertha to cool down.
We just climbed a huge mountain. We're giving her a break here on this little pull-off check area thing, whatever you call it. I don't know. Got great views. There's an awesome hill behind us, but I can't show you because it's just be too difficult. So I'm not gonna do it. Well, we've been traveling all day. It's been a rough, long day. Yeah. Pushed through the winds. We've been fighting winds this whole trip. I'm talking like 20, 25 mile-an-hour winds head on. Every single day we go. Today was a rough one. We just pushed through it, just burned a ton of gas. But either way, we made it. Went through some mountains. Not some, went through a lot of mountains. It was an adventurous day. Took all day to do 300 miles. But I'll show you where we're staying tonight. Now this is not a free spot. This is really not even a spot you can park. We just kind of called, we pulled in and begged them for forgiveness, so to speak. Well, she called, I didn't, but we're at a casino. I don't know how you say that. WE/KO/PA. Anyway, it's a casino. Does not allow overnight parking. Has signs everywhere. But, you know, we called and asked for permission instead of forgiveness. Some people just park anyway, then try to ask for forgiveness. I like to call, because usually they'll let you stay, you know, businesses of some kind don't normally let you stay, but so I like to call first. But anyway, she called the security, and he was like, yeah, sure, go ahead. So we're gonna try not to abuse it. It's well lit. We're the only one in this lot. We're not in the alley. We're right here by the hotel. And I don't know if you can see it flashing. That's a stop sign on the main road. So we're in about as best spot you can get, I think. But we're gonna try not to abuse it. We're gonna just stay here tonight. It's pretty late. It's 9. I really don't know what time it is. 9 or 10 o'clock. Something like that. This time change has messed me up. Switching states. We've gone through 5 states in the past 3 days, so I'm a little confused on what day it is. But we're gonna stay here tonight. Try to get up and get early and get going in the morning. You know, not to abuse it. It was a courtesy to us, so we're gonna try to get going as quick as possible. But yeah, we're at a casino. We are in Arizona now. And I guess if you know we're in Arizona, then you know where we're going. But anyhow, I got the generator out. We've got solar. You know, I'm not going to cover all this again. We've got solar, but we decided not to put it on the roof of the camper. We chose to set it out portable wise. But it's kind of inconvenient on moments like this, because we had sun all day, but you know, there was no solar panels to charge the battery. So I got the little generator out. That thing's doing great. Right there, see it? Yeah, it's doing awesome. It does a good job. So I'm gonna try to get a little juice in the batteries. I think we've gone 2 days without charging them, and they're only on 12.4, so that's not bad. You know, we just run like lights and a little memory box, the brain box in the camper that switches the refrigerator, you know, back and forth and stuff like that. So it ain't been a lot of power draw on it, but yeah, 2 days and it's barely gone down, so they're doing great. But I don't like them to get real low, so I'm gonna top them up for about an hour, then shut her down and put the old generator back up. But anyhow, let me quit yapping here and get settled in for the night, and I'm gonna give me a good nap. It's been a long day. But anyway, we'll be back.